Okay, example 4. Question number 1. By using the linear least square method, show that the data above can be represented by this equation, and then start your calculation from S. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1. So S equal to summation y minus yx squared. Okay. And then because of this one is linear, so yx equal to a plus bx, and then we substitute into the family of s, so yx a plus bx minus a minus bx squared. Okay, because of we want to find the minimum value of s, so you need to differentiate s with respect to a. So we get 2 summation y minus a minus ba negative 1 equal to 0, and then differentiate again with respect to b, summation y minus a minus bx bb, so negative x equal to 0. And these two equation we divide by 2, so this one can be cancelled out, and we can get negative summation y plus summation a plus summation bx equal to 0. Negative summation y plus summation ax plus summation bx squared equal to 0. And then you arrange these two equations, so you will get a summation 1 plus b summation x equal to summation y, and then a summation x plus b summation x squared equal to summation xy. Okay, we want to find the value of a and b, and for this summation, all this summation, okay, we can find this value by using the calculator. Okay, so back to the tips of calculator. Okay, we follow all the steps. Okay, first you press menu, and then 6, because of we are doing on the linear least square method, so you choose number 2. So number 2 is y to a plus bx from your calculator, so you press 2, and then you key in all your data. So x we have 1.5 equal 2.5 equal 3 equal 4.2 equal 5 equal 5.6 equal. So for the calculator we have 7 data, and then substitute for y 1.212 equal 1.4432 equal 2.2699 equal 2.8 equal 4.5280 equal 5.9669 equal 7.2720. Okay, and then we want to find the summation of the summation, and then you continue, you press AC. Okay, press AC and then option, AC option, and then you press below from the arrow, and then you find summation 1. Okay. After that, because of we want to find summation x, so summation x from your calculator is number 1, so press 1 equal. So summation x equal to 22.8, and then summation y. Okay, summation y, you press option. Okay, find summation 1. So summation y is 3. So press number 3 equal 25.492, and then we want to find summation x squared. Option 1, and then summation x squared. X squared is number 2. So press 2 equal 92.5, and then summation xy. Okay, again option summation xy is number 5 equal 107.0269. Okay, and then all this summation you substitute into the formula, and then you will get A summation 1. Summation 1 is because of we have 7 data, so we have 7. Summation 1 is equal 7 plus 22.8b equal to 25.492. Second equation, 22.8a plus 92.5b equal to summation x equal to summation xy. Xy is 107.0269. Okay, now you can find the value of A and also B by using your calculator. So you press mod and then you find the value of A and B. You press mod until you find equation, because we want to find A and B. So A and B, we have two unknown. So 7 22.8 equal 25.492 equal 22.8 equal 92.5 equal 107.0269 equal. Therefore, A is equal to negative 0.6439 and B equal to 1.3158. Therefore, y equal to A plus bx. A is negative 0.6439 plus 1.3158b. So we have done. We have shown this one. Okay. Okay. Number 2. The given data can be also represented by equation y equal to 1 plus ax squared, where a is a constant. Use the same technique in part 1, determine the value of a. Okay. Now, the value of y, the estimation of y is already changed to 1 plus ax squared. Okay, number 2. So, s equal to summation y minus 1 plus ax squared equal to 1 plus ax squared. So minus 1 minus ax squared and then because of we only has the constant a, so differentiate s with respect to a, we get 2 summation y minus 1 minus ax squared aa. So negative x squared equal to 0. This equation divide by 2, so this one can be cancelled out, and then we get summation negative xy squared plus summation x squared plus summation ax power of 4 equal to 0. And then a summation x4 equal to summation xy squared minus summation squared. Okay, so we need to find by using your calculator what is the value for summation x4, xy squared, and also this one, summation x squared. And then by using the previous data, press option and then summation x4 is number 8 equal, so we have 2045.7442a equal to option summation xy squared or x squared y. This one x squared y. Okay, because we don't have xy squared, but we have x squared y. Okay, x squared y, so number 7 equal, so we have 500.9424 minus summation x squared, so summation x squared option summation x squared, so number 2 equal minus 92.5. And then we can find what is the value of a. So 500.9424 minus 92.5 and then divide by 2045.7442. So your answer A is 0.1997. Therefore, y equal to 1 plus 0.1997 x squared. This is our answer for number 2. Okay, and then for the question number 3, given that the S for linear equation in part 1 is 1.1256, find the S for part 2, hence determine which equation is more accurate to represent the data. Okay, now, so we need to find for number 2, we need to find the number 2 because we already have the S for number 1. So 1 is, this is number 1, y, but number 2, this is for number 2. So we have y equal to 1 plus 0.1997 x squared. So we have x and then we have y. So x we have 1, 1.5, 2.5. This one you can, this one from the table, okay? This table, this table, okay? Okay. And then we have 3, 4.2, 5, 5.6. Okay, this one I refer from our calculator tau. And then y just now we have 1.2120, 1.4432, 2.2699, 2.8, 4.528. 5.9669 and then 7.2720, and then we need to find what is the estimation value of y. So you need to substitute the value of x in this equation. So you need to try one by one. 1.997, 1.4493, 2.2481, 2.7973, 4.5227, 0.9925, 7.2626. So if you want to find S is equal to y minus the estimation of y squared. So this value minus with y and then u squared. This is my answer, but you need to check 2. 5 6 7 as well as 0.01. So for the S, so summation, so S is equal to 0.015. Okay, and then just now the question, the S for part 1, so the S for the part 1 is 1.1256. S for number 1 is equal to 1.1256, but for number 2 we only get 0.015. Therefore the equation number 2 is better because of minimum error. Okay, and then for the example 5, so example 5 is under quadratic linear least square method. So the question, the relationship between x and y can be modeled as quadratic equation where b and c are constant. This constant can be determined by using least square method. Determine the value of b and c. Start your calculation from. Okay, so let's do this one. S equal to summation y minus y estimation of y squared, and our estimation of y equal to 1 plus bx plus bx plus 6x squared. So substitute y minus 1 minus bx minus cx squared, and then we differentiate with respect to b because we have constant b, so we get 2 summation y minus 1 minus bx minus cx squared. So bb is negative x equal to 0. Okay, and then division again with respect to c because we have constant c. 2 summation y minus 1 minus bx minus cx squared C, so we get negative x squared equal to 0. These two equations divided by 2, this one can be cancelled out. So you will get summation negative summation xy plus summation x plus summation bx squared plus summation cx cubed equal to 0, and then negative summation x squared y plus summation x squared plus summation bx cubed plus summation cx4 equal to 0, and then you arrange this one, we get b summation x squared plus c summation x cubed equal to summation xy minus summation x, and then b summation x cubed plus c summation x4 equal to summation x squared y minus summation x squared. Okay, and then we need to find by the value of b and c. By using your calculator, substitute the value, this value into in your calculator. Okay. Press menu 6. Okay, now we have a quadratic equation. So quadratic is number 3. So you have to press number 3. Then substitute the value of x, 0 equal 0.6 equal 1.0, 1.5 equal 2.2 equal 2.7 equal 3 equal. So we have 7 data. And then substitute the value of y, 0.7556, 0.6998, 1.6020, 3.7962, 9.0552, 13.9760, 17.5886. Press AC, option, summation number 1. We want to find the value of x squared. So x squared summation x squared is number 2 plus number 2 equal, so we have 24.74 summation x cubed, option, find summation x cubed is number 6 equal 61.992, and then summation xy, option, summation xy is number 5 equal 118.1386, and then summation x equal, option, summation number 1 we get 11, and then summation x cubed, already we have x cubed, x4 equal to, option, summation x4 is number 8 equal 163.7618, and then summation x squared y, option, summation x squared y is number 7, 14.049, so for 5 summation x squared, how do you squared? Okay, now substitute into the equation. Summation x squared, so 24.74b plus 61.922c equal to summation xy 118.1386 minus 11, and then we have x cube is 61.992b plus summation x4 is 163.7618c equal to summation xy 314.405 minus summation x squared. So x squared is 27.74. Okay, so you need to find the value of b and c. For using your calculator, you find more until you find equations. So we want to find b and c. So two unknown, 24.74, 61.922, 118.1386 minus 11 equal 61.992, 16.7618, 314.405 minus 24.75. So your answer is B from your calculator equal to negative 1.8027, and C equal to 2.4505. Therefore, y equal to 1 plus bx plus c x squared. So this is your answer. Okay, and then number 2, compute the total square errors, so S. So similar what we did just now. Number 2, so we have x and then we have y. So the value of x is number 4. So we have x is 0.6, 1, 1.5, 2.2, 2.7, and then we have 3. For y, we have 17.588, 13.976, 9.52, 3.7962, 1.02, 0.6998, and then 0.7596. So estimation of y. So we have this formula, this equation. Okay, we have this equation. So substitute the value of x. So you will get 1. Okay, this is my answer, but you need to check. Okay, 1.6478, 3.8096, 8.895, and then 13.9969, 17.6464, and then S this value you minus with the estimation of y, and then you square, you will get, this is my answer, but please check. So total we get 0.1017. So answer S equal to summation y minus y estimation squared equal to 1017. So this is the answer for number 2. Okay, and then for number 3, if the equality equation 1 plus bx plus cxy is replaced by, so we have constant a, determine using the same technique what will happen the value of s. Okay, if let's say we suddenly we have the constant a that is not 1, it's not 1, so our value of s, what happened to s, okay, what happened to s, so the value of s maybe can be remain, the answer is remain 0.1017, or maybe reduce, the error can be maybe reduced, we don't know. Okay, so this is our answer for number 3. So the value of s can be remain or reduce. Okay.